my first question I would like to understand, how is the mega trend of say AI and ML impacting the insurance industry?
Well, AI/ML is the buzzword, and everybody is trying to do something or the other. Let me give you one quick example that we have been doing, and we are per se little more successful than others. Maybe every one of us do outbound calls for services, and the hit ratio of that outbound call normally is below 3%. It requires lots of standardization, it requires persistence, it requires also to understand the intent of the person you're calling and then probably convert it. We do use a thing called humanoid, which is assisted by AI/ML, and it understands the intent. It changes its response based on the understanding on the intent that it gets in the first few seconds. And believe you me, as of now, the success rate is upwards to 20%. So that's great use of AI/ML, best service within our industry, and every one of us within the industry is doing something or the other to make sure that the customer's value proposition is enhancing, to make sure that our value proposition or our services to customer becoming a little more intelligent, little more frictionless, and accepted. That's why I'm seeing that it has started moving in. It is still scratching the surface. It has to go a lot more deeper on this, and I'm hopeful within next 3 to 4 years to take really a good shape.
Your quick thoughts on what are the areas that still are unexplored or uncharted territories, and what are the challenges associated with this technology is now making disruption in the insurance space?
So there are lots of white spaces still. If I ask you where all you would need an insurance cover, you would have at least 20 things to talk about. Do you have cover? May not be there. Can you have cover? Yes, you can, but you have to reach out to maybe 5 different players to get that done. And also you need to understand technically what cover means what. So there are those areas where I'm sure industry would work on to make sure that we penetrate to those areas where it is not yet penetrated, and we penetrate in a way that it can be scaled, not in a very, very specific manner. Those are the areas that I'm sure we would be working on. We now also see too many active initiatives from regulator and market partners, which is very, very hopeful, very, very good situation to be, and it will take us forward.